Hey guys, Kalila here, or Callie, and welcome to day 10 of me knitting on the Kintra sweater test knit. So far, this is what I have, just split for the sleeves and a little bit of the body done, which you can't really tell because it's stockinette and it just rolls up on itself annoyingly. You can see a lot more progress since I did German short rows in the back. And I'm very excited to continue this so I can see how it turns out, especially since this yarn is variegated. And oh my gosh, I'm just in awe at how it's turning out. I am going to, my goal for today, knit 25 rounds, 20 basically, because I kind of got a head start on it yesterday. Or last night, I got a head start on my goal for today. So 25 rounds total, which I have 20 more to do, and see what that measurement is, and then go from there to see how many more days it will take me to do the body, which is very, very exciting. I cannot wait. I'm enjoying knitting on this sweater so much. And now we're on the very easy part, okay, the body, which it will be a little longer, I feel like. Well, no, because I had almost 500 stitches when doing the yoke, so it's actually going to be easier and faster to do the body. So we'll see how much we get done. Today I'll be watching the sprint. No, I watched the sprint already. I'll be watching F1 qualifying for Qatar, and then I'll go right into watching 4 night streams. So that's how my day will go. Oh, no, it's not. I have to edit day 7 of this series because I edited 7 total videos out of 8, and so I need to edit the 8th one so that I can feel like I'm on track. Anyway, I will edit that. I'll watch the qualifying first and then edit the video, but I'll knit on this at the same time. So I'll still be getting progress. Let's get it. Holes in my project from my German short rows. This one I totally messed up. I think I dropped it and tried to pick it back up. It was weird. And these are just normal. But I always have holes in my German short rows, and I'm like, do they bother me enough to fix them? Looking at it here, no. Knitting on it, it's so ugh, there's a hole. Every time I pass by it, I'm just like, ugh, you're annoying me. But I know that as I knit more, it's probably not going to bother me, and I'm probably not going to notice it, especially since it's kind of it's around a dark part of the yarn, so you can't really see it, if you just looked at it like this. Can you see it? Not really. But then you can see whatever. I'm not gonna patch it. This is how much yarn I have left. This is a lot. I have a lot of yarn left over, but it's because I didn't really use the main color besides for this in two rounds in a color work. So now that I'm knitting on a body, I'll definitely be going through it. I wonder if I can literally just use 2 full skeins of the hand-dyed yarn and not even have to tap into a 3rd skein. I'm only saying that because I don't want to wind up another skein of yarn. Winding up fingering weight yarn is torture. It's torture. Yeah. So we will see. I think this skein of yarn could get me a good bit of the way through it. So we'll see how things go. Okay, I'm editing right now my day 7, and I'm very excited because I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm getting some work done, getting some progress on putting a dent in editing this entire series because, oh my gosh, I literally felt like procrastinating, but I'm so glad I just pulled through because now I feel like a weight has lifted off my shoulders, and I'm just like, now I can just knit for the next few days before editing again. Knit before editing and then edit another week's worth, because I think the sweater is gonna take me 2.5 weeks. So yeah, I'm excited. Break time for a little bit to eat some leftover Thanksgiving food. Okay guys, I am on round 15 out of 25. It is currently 7 p.m. Kahila and I are watching Knitting with Eve. We're watching her videos on her spinning up yarn into, spinning up fiber into a sweater quantity of yarn. And we just finished that, so now we're watching her Tour de Fleece video, and it's just so exciting to watch people spin. Right. But yeah, spin now. I know. I'm like, okay, I need to finish this sweater so that it can be a nice little reward. Like, spinning will be my reward for finishing this project. But then the thing is, right after this project, I think we will have to do a test knit right after that. But the test knit is not going to take long. That's probably going to be a very quick project, but we'll see. So far I have a good bit of progress. You see all that green? Yeah, I have a good bit of progress on the sweater so far. This is what I have done. So from the armpit, that's from right here. Yeah, that's my progress, which is beautiful, beautiful, great. And I can definitely get my goal of 25 rounds done today, which means I'll be on track. I'll measure that and then see how many more days it'll take me to finish the body before the ribbing and then with the ribbing.
What round are you on?
15.
Damn!
Out of 25.
I'm on 5.
Yeah.
After already doing 10.
Dang.
So I've done 15 for today too. But you know, it's like I'm not counting yesterday's makeup.
Mm-hmm.
But I did 15 rounds today too. So.
Wow, we're on a roll. I'm so excited. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Just, you know, when it gets to the body part, it's like there's not a lot to talk about because it's just, hey, I'm doing a body. Hey, it got longer. And a little longer now. So, yeah, anyway, back to looking at spinning. Alrighty guys, it is 12:48 a.m. and I finished my 25 rounds. So we're getting some good progress from underneath the arms. I feel like I should show you from here. Hold on, let's put this in there. Show you the progress from here. So, you know, I split for the sleeves and a body the other day. So this is the progress that has been done, and this is about 7.5 centimeters, but I'll say like 7, about 7 centimeters, which according to the length that I'm supposed to knit the body, it will take me 3 more days to knit the stockinette portion of the body before the ribbing, and then another day to knit the ribbing of the body. So I'm assuming I'll have 4 more days on the body and then 3 days on the sleeve. Or when I do the ribbing of the body, I could end up finishing the body and then starting a sleeve, which means I'll have like 3.5 days on the sleeve, which would be really good. But I think I could get the sleeve done in 3 days. Yes, I'm imposing a timeline now that I am on the body and I can see what I can get done. Now that I know I can get 25 rounds done in a day, minus those 5 rounds, but I was busy editing for half the day, so 5 more rounds could have been squeezed in there somewhere. And yeah, so this is some really good progress. Let me show you the back so you can really see what it's looking like. This is it. Oh, it looks so cool. Oh my gosh, I think this is going to be my coolest looking sweater. Just from all the colors and then the variegation. Like, oh, yes. I love it so much, okay? Anyway, that's all that I have. I'm so tired and I'm going to wake up a little early for the race. It's not that early. The race starts at 8 a.m. I'm usually up by then. But you know when you go to bed later and you want to just stay in bed a little later? That's what I want to do, but I want to watch the race, okay? So I'm going to sleep right now and I will talk to you guys tomorrow because we're going to get some more progress and I cannot wait. Good night.